Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start with essentials. Confirm battery above 20% and know your lock PIN or password. Open Settings, then tap Passwords and Security and choose Fingerprint Unlock. Authenticate with your existing PIN when prompted. This proves you own the device and unlocks the option to manage fingerprints. Once done, review the list of stored fingerprints so you know which entries to remove. Make sure you stay on this screen. Do not reboot or exit until removal steps are complete, because interruptions complicate the process. You now remove fingerprints one by one. Tap the fingerprint entry you want to delete, then confirm delete or remove when the dialog appears. If you have multiple entries, repeat this action until the list is empty. This prevents accidental recognition from duplicate entries. Once removed, lock the screen and try unlocking with your finger to verify it no longer works. If the phone still accepts touch, return to Settings and ensure there are 0 fingerprint records shown, because lingering profiles sometimes need a second deletion attempt. You finish by disabling fingerprint login entirely. In Passwords and Security, toggle Fingerprint Unlock off, which prevents future enrollments and biometric unlocking. If you relied on fingerprint as primary access, set or confirm a PIN or password now to avoid lockout later. Once toggled off, restart the phone to clear cached biometric states. This final reboot ensures the fingerprint module stops prompting. If the option persists after reboot, repeat removal steps or clear settings, app cache, and try again as a
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.